Hey everybody, it's Jude with JASPR Made. I'm out here to test our pack, and I thought before I went on my little day hike, I would kind of show you what I generally carry with me, starting with the water. This is super important. It's in the 90s today. It's late July, actually August 1st. Excuse me. So it's pretty warm. I want to make sure I have plenty of water. There's a full liter right here. There's another liter that I've been drinking on the way up. And then I have another 40 some ounces in the car. Strapped to the bottom of my pack, I do have a chair. I don't always bring this, but just in case, it is handy to have something to sit on. In this front pouch, I do have my GPS. I do still have cell service and stuff like that, but just in case I want to track my movement, make sure I'm going the right direction, that's going to come in handy. And that's everything on the outside of the pack. Moving inward, I can either access through this side zipper compartment right here. First thing I'm going to grab is a fixed blade knife. Now this is just kind of a backup. It's very lightweight, doesn't weigh anything, or it doesn't weigh much. For fun, I brought my Slingshot, made a little pouch for it, and then I also brought clay ammunition. So this is biodegradable. It's not going to litter, it's not going to cause any pollution. I want to make sure that I am conscientious of the trails. Save that pouch for later. I do have a first aid kit. This is packed pretty thoroughly. I am first aid certified, but got some stuff, sunscreen, bug spray, which I will be using since it seems to be a little buggy and the sun is very powerful. Always important to have first aid, especially since I'm hiking alone. I also have a poncho. Now, I don't expect any rain, but just in case it were to, either the weather were to come in or if I needed shelter, I have that. In addition to that, I have a wool. This is a buff. It's basically a neck gaiter. It is merino wool. I forgot to mention this bandana, or basically a hanky. It's gonna really come in handy. If I see any streams, I'm gonna dip it in there, wrap it around my neck. It's gonna cool me down instantly. Last of all, I have some snacks, some carrots, peanut butter and jelly, almonds and dried fruit, and then a fruit leather. Again, nothing super fancy. This is just a day hike to test out this pack. Inside of this is kind of my emergency supplies. I've got a compass, just in case the battery were to die on the Garmin. This is my tool maintenance, so a little sharpening stone, signal mirror, matches. This is like a fire starter type stuff. Headlamp, not that I'm planning on being out after dark. Lighter, some extra cordage. Actually, this is my cordage. Some tissue so that's everything in my pack. Now on my person, I do have a little necklace that'll start fires, some chapstick, my phone, wallet, Swiss Army knife. And then I made this little pouch on the side here. This little pouch is very handy for carrying special little things that you want on your person. So I've got a fire steel, a whistle, just in case I need to call someone's attention, and then a extra Bic lighter, just a little one. Yeah, that is everything, and now I'm gonna get hiking. If you have any questions, definitely leave them below in the comments section. If you enjoy this content, want to learn more about what we do here at JASPR, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll be filling it in as time comes and as we get further along. But otherwise, I'm going to enjoy this sunny afternoon. All right, being that I'm in the shade now, and that log has a very clear backdrop, I'm gonna shoot Slingshot. I'm gonna see how many times it takes me to knock off like a pine cone. So I'll bring it in closer. So these are biodegradable. They're made of clay. So they don't fly quite the same as like, I don't know, stainless steel. But at least I'm not littering. Oh. Okay, so I was gonna close out the video up there. Hopefully you can see it, but there's this cliff way up there. But it was just getting too dangerous, too precarious, so I decided to come back down here, close it out here. So, yeah, dumb idea going up there. Don't do it. Okay, so I've been hiking with my JASPR pack for a little over an hour now, which is a good long stretch to test this thing out. It rides so comfortably. I'm amazed just how much like flex helps really just hug your back as you're hiking. And I know I'm biased, you know, but I love it. I'm not the one who designed it, so I don't have to be, I'm not completely biased. So at least there's that. But I'm gonna get out of here. I'm almost out of water. It's about 2:30, getting close to the hottest part of the day. I'm sweating quite a bit, and I wanna get back to the car, rehydrate, and then get back to work, bringing you this content. Thanks again for checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.